Hello everyone and welcome to this new video. If you're on the hunt for the best GoPro, you've come to the right place. We'll dive right in and explore together the top 5 GoPros, starting from the oldest version to the latest. We regularly update the names and prices of the products we mention, and you can find them in the description just below. In the 5th spot, we have the GoPro HERO9 Black. This camera is a true game changer for video enthusiasts and adventurers. It comes with a redesigned, more compact format that's easier to carry and features built-in folding fingers that allow you to switch mounts in seconds. Whether you're a vlogger, a professional filmmaker, or an aspiring creator, the HERO9 Black offers previously unimaginable possibilities. You can customize it with quick charge accessories like flashes, microphones, LCD screens, and more. The camera delivers incredibly smooth footage thanks to Hyper Smooth 2.0 stabilization, now with 3 levels, on, high, and boost, so you can choose the best option for the situation. You can capture super stable time lapses even while on the move. Additionally, the HERO9 Black automatically records 1.5 seconds before and after your shots, allowing you to select the perfect photo or create outstanding videos to share. It features a 1.95-inch touchscreen for intuitive control and a 12.1-megapixel optical sensor for high-quality images. Among its advantages are its compact form, easy transport, and integrated folding fingers for quick mount changes. The HERO9 Black also offers Hyper Smooth 2.0 stabilization, 3 stabilization levels, and the ability to capture super stable time lapses. However, one of its drawbacks is the 12.1-megapixel optical sensor, which, while of high quality, may be lower in resolution compared to newer models. In the 4th spot, we have the GoPro HERO9 Black, a true revolution in the world of action cameras. The HERO9 is equipped with a powerful 23.6-megapixel sensor, allowing you to capture incredibly sharp photos. Furthermore, the HERO9 offers the highest video resolution in the GoPro lineup, with 5K videos at 30 frames per second and 4K videos at 60 frames per second, all with a wide field of view. This means your videos will have exceptional clarity and detail, whether you're diving, mountain biking, or simply capturing a family stroll. One of the most impressive features of the HERO9 Black is its ability to capture photos from videos. With Super Photo, the camera automatically selects the best image processing for each photo, making shooting a breeze. The HERO9 Black is also waterproof up to 10 meters, so you don't have to worry about splashes or underwater use. For those who like to customize their gear, the HERO9 Black offers various optional modules, including a media module with a directional microphone, a standard 3.5mm microphone port to connect your own external microphone, an HDMI output for playback on external monitors, and 2 accessory mounts for attaching lights, LCD screens, or other accessories. In addition to its outstanding resolution, the HERO9 Black offers extended battery life. You can record up to 1 hour and 30 minutes in 5K at 30 frames per second, or over 2 hours and 30 minutes in 1080p at 30 frames per second. It's also compatible with the GoPro app, allowing you to connect your camera to your phone for easy control and automatic image transfer to the cloud. Its advantages include video resolution up to 5K, a powerful 23.6-megapixel sensor, and the ability to add various accessories to customize your experience. However, the drawback of the HERO9 may be its slightly larger size compared to the HERO9, which could make it less convenient for some uses. In the 3rd spot, we have the GoPro HERO10 Black, a waterproof action camera with front and rear touchscreen LCDs. It offers Ultra HD 5.3K video at 60 frames per second and 23-megapixel photos, along with 1080p live streaming and webcam functionality. The HERO10 Black delivers double the performance thanks to its revolutionary GP2 chip. With the HERO10 Black, you can shoot 5.3K videos at twice the frame rate, capture 23-megapixel photos, and enjoy Hyper Smooth 4.0 video stabilization in all modes. The GP2 processor is faster, smoother, and provides a responsive user interface. It comes with a HERO10 Black camera, a carrying case, a rechargeable battery, curved adhesive mounts, a mounting buckle, a thumb screw, and a USB-C cable. The HERO10 Black is waterproof up to 10 meters and offers improved battery life, approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes in 5.3K at 30 frames per second and over 2 hours and 30 minutes in 1080p at 30 frames per second. It also features the Max 2.0 lens module, providing an ultra-wide 177-degree field of view at 4K 60 frames per second. You can wirelessly sync multiple Hero 10 cameras with timecode, and it's compatible with the Quick app. Among its advantages, you'll find the 5.3K video resolution, hyper-smooth 4.0 stabilization, and cloud connectivity. However, some users might consider its price a drawback compared to higher-end models. In the second spot, we have the GoPro HERO9 Black, which goes beyond being a mere action camera to offer an unparalleled video capture experience. The HERO9 Black features an innovative feature called Horizon Lock. This feature gives your videos a professional production look by maintaining a stable, level horizon, even if your camera rotates 360 degrees during recording. This means your videos will always be sharp and flawless, whether you're cycling, skating, skiing, or capturing precious moments with your children. But that's not all. The GoPro HERO9 Black also offers two control options, allowing you to choose between the simplicity of frame and shoot or full camera control, where you can adjust each mode and setting for maximum customization. Easy controls come pre-loaded with ultra-versatile capture settings, perfect for most shots. Additionally, this camera is designed to withstand the test of time and harsh conditions. It's completely waterproof and more rugged than ever, able to withstand your adventures, whether in mud, snow, or underwater up to 10 meters deep. The lens cover is scratch-resistant, adding an extra layer of protection, and it can be easily replaced if necessary. The GoPro HERO9 Black also offers the opportunity to customize your capture experience. With HERO9 Black modules, you can tailor your GoPro to your specific needs. The media module features a directional microphone, a standard 3.5mm microphone port for connecting your own external microphone, an HDMI output for playback on external monitors, and two accessory mounts for attaching lights, LCD screens, or other accessories for even more creative shots. Automatically receive amazing videos of your best moments on your phone with the HERO9 Black. Its large image sensor captures more of the scene with better image quality, allowing you to instantly share vertical photos on social media. The HERO9 Black is equipped with hyper-smooth 5.0 video stabilization, an Emmy Award winner, featuring Auto Boost and Horizon Lock for incredibly smooth footage. At night, unleash your creativity with night effects and bring your videos to life with 10-bit color. This camera is a true creative powerhouse for both amateur and professional filmmakers. Its advantages include Horizon Lock, simple or pro control options, and exceptional ruggedness. It can also shoot in 5.3K at 60 frames per second and 2.7K at 240 frames per second, offering outstanding performance. However, its main drawback may be that it lacks some of the newer features found in higher-end models. In the top spot, we have the GoPro HERO12 Black, designed to withstand the most extreme conditions. It's completely waterproof and more rugged than ever, able to follow you through mud, snow, or underwater up to 10 meters deep. Additionally, its hydrophobic lens cover eliminates flare effects and other artifacts, ensuring even more stunning photos and videos. This camera pushes the boundaries of image quality with HDR, high dynamic range imaging. You can capture incredibly sharp 5.3K and 4K videos, even in environments with extreme shadows and brightness. The resulting images are dynamic, accurate, and true to reality. The HERO12 Black also offers incredible image quality with 5.3K videos, providing 91% higher resolution than 4K, as well as 27 megapixel photos. You can extract amazing photos up to 24.7 megapixels from your favorite videos using the GoPro Quick app. Hyper-smooth 6.0 stabilization, an Emmy Award winner, ensures that your images remain incredibly smooth, whether you're on a bike, skateboard, or capturing everyday life's precious moments. The HERO12 Black is the best GoPro camera ever designed, offering exceptional performance, extended battery life, Bluetooth audio support, multi-camera synchronization with timecode, advanced color controls, and much more. This camera is built to capture high-quality images in any conditions. Its advantages include water resistance up to 10 meters, outstanding image quality at 5.3K and 4K with HDR imaging, and hyper-smooth 6.0 stabilization, an Emmy Award winner. However, its major drawback may be its higher price compared to previous models. That concludes our top 5 current GoPros, each offering unique features to meet your specific needs. The product links and prices are in the description below. Thank you for watching the video, and if you enjoyed it, please let us know in the comments and subscribe to stay informed about each new video. We'll see you soon for more top 5s. Goodbye.